Da-da.
Maybe you should take it slow.
Survivors, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darlings, we're back here with another video. Thank you so much for always being here for me, you guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I just want to say a big thank you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because you won't be disappointed in the content that I bring to you, sweeties. And if you're loyal and you're still here, thank you so much. I absolutely love and adore you. I'm doing a little bit different. This is my new setup, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. I'm giving you some lights. I'm giving you my room, sweetie. So this is the look that I created for you. I am so sorry about the lips. They're literally drooping by now, and they did not come out the way that I wanted them to come out. So yeah, it is Pride Month, sweetie. I am so proud to say that I am in the community as a bisexual woman, and I just really wanted to do this over the top look because I support everybody in the community, everybody in the Pride community, everybody that stands for Pride, everybody that stands with us. I stand for you and I love and adore you, sweeties. You know, I do go into a little bit more of explaining when I do this look for you guys, how I feel about it, and just my experience being a bisexual woman. Even though I am in a one-sex relationship now, I still class myself as bisexual because I love women and I love men, and I've never actually turned around and turned my back on that and said I'm anything but that. So I really am feeling this look. I have to apologize right off the bat, guys, because my new setup is not completely finished, so I've had to use the JEFFREE style mirror a lot, and sometimes the mirror got in my face. Also, it's super hot in here and I forgot to turn off my Dyson fan, and it was on in some of the shots. I have no idea how the sound is going to pick that up, so this was kind of crazy. So many things went wrong, but I still wanted to bring this out to you guys because I am so passionate about it. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial if you can still follow along, and don't do these lips because these lips are disgusting. Like, I'm so sorry, they're colorful and everything else, but they're just way too wet, too droopy. I did too much. It's done too much ombre and it's melting and I can feel it. It don't feel great. I can feel it in the color of my lips. I feel like I've been smacking on something I shouldn't be smacking on. So don't do these lips. If you're gonna do these lips, do them in your own way. Don't follow my way, because my way is the wrong way and I messed up. It's just do whatever you want to do, but you don't want this feeling, believe me. I got the inspiration from my eyebrows. I have to do a disclaimer right now because I know a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, Nikki tutorials and da. I got this inspiration from the JEFFREE Star Equality lipstick kit that he has brought out this month. I got the inspiration from this because if you guys have seen the advert for this, you will see that there's 3 people, I think 1 woman or 2 women, sorry, and a man, and the man literally had rainbow eyebrows, and that's where I got the idea from. Maybe he got the idea for Nikki tutorials, but I'm just letting you guys know that I didn't get this idea from Nikki tutorials. I literally got it from my advert and then I saw Nikki tutorials. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys stick with me and watch it. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So hi guys, I'm going to now start, my darlings. As you already know, I love the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Primer. You know I gotta get with this primer. It is so good. It's very jelly, very water based. A lot goes a long way. It is really nice. It's very cool base. When you first put it on, it's very kind of like jelly type. As you can see, it's not that shiny at all. It makes your skin feel so good, very hydrated, very sexy, very nice. I am enjoying this primer so much, and I'm just going to continue with my makeup. Then I'm going to color correct with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange. Then I'm going to use my Rimmel London Match Perfection foundation. I'm just going to use a couple of pumps, and I'm then going to apply it with my finger on my face. You just need 2 pumps. 2 pumps is enough. Can you really call yourself a beauty guru or beauty influencer if you don't go around with either foundation on the back of your hand or some swatches or something sweetie to do with makeup? I find that I always walk around after I do my makeup and I've got so much product on my hands. It's amazing. Then I'm just going to go in with my Real Techniques complexion sponge. I'm just going to press that foundation in. So as you guys know, it is Pride month, sweeties. I'm probably going to do an introduction with the full look and give you a little bit more background on why I'm doing what I'm doing. A lot of people don't know this about me, but I am actually bisexual. I've always been bisexual. My first relationship was with a woman. I've never hid that about myself. I believe that even if you're bisexual and you choose to just be with that one sex, whatever you choose, but if you choose to be one sex, I find that society always feels like, oh, you need to choose, you need to choose. And I never hide away from the fact that, girl, like, I like females, I like men, that's what I like. I still find both sexes highly attractive, so I'm not going to turn around and say, oh, because I'm with a man now, I'm going to marry a man and be with a man for the rest of my life, that I am no longer bisexual. So this is my Pride makeup tutorial. I feel so passionate about Pride. I know that discrimination happens. Like, I've had discrimination against because of the color of my skin. So honeys, honey bunnies, I'm not going to then turn around and be like, okay, well, I'm going to discriminate against another minority, a group, or another because at the end of the day, I will get discriminated against regardless. Do you know what I mean? I am a black female bisexual woman. Do you know what I'm saying? There's so many categories where people can call me out and say horrible things to me, but I find that a lot of groups that I tend to be discriminated against, I find that some of them, very small, minute, but I do find that some of them really forget where they come from. They forget the struggle, you know what I mean? They forget, now that they're so out and proud and they've overcome their internal struggles and fears, they forget that there's other people out there that are still struggling. They're not as confident as you. They didn't walk in your shoes, and I find that a lot of people don't give back and they don't help, and it's really, really, really sad. I am so for mental health, because, you know, I suffer mental illness. You guys already know this. Even though this is a makeup tutorial, I generally just want to give you guys a little background of why I feel so passionate about doing this makeup tutorial for you guys, and why I feel it's just such a good cause. You know, no one should live in this world and feel ashamed about who they truly are. You know, like, that is just insane to me and crazy, and I just find it so sad. There's so much stigma in the mental health world. There's so much stigma in the gay community. There's so much stigma in this world, and it just needs to stop. It needs to die. It needs to be gone. It needs to be deceased, honeys. You know, Pride is such a beautiful thing. I just feel like we should all just get behind it. Like, love everybody. At the end of the day, they're not hurting anyone. It shouldn't even be like they and you and no one's hurting anybody. They're living their life. Who cares who they love? Who should be telling them how they love and what's right and what's wrong? It's really, really crazy. I've never understood it. I probably never will understand it, because at the end of the day, that's their life. That's their life. I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition, and it's in Almond. So I haven't used this in such a long time. It was my first concealer, so I thought I'll go back to my roots really and just put it on and see. Oh my god, did you see that? Like, it tried to blind me. It's like, girl, you know, you left me in the dirt. A little payback. But yeah, I used to love these concealers so much, because I like easy applications. You just open it, squeeze it, and just apply. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, because I haven't used this concealer in so long. I forgot how it actually looks, but we're going to work with it today, darling. We gotta work fast with this one because it does get tacky very quickly. Ain't it funny how you look when you're concealing and stuff like that? You just look so crazy. You just look so cray cray. I'm just gonna blend that out, sweetie. Oh my god, it's a lot tackier than I remember. It would do. She's cute or whatever. I need some advice, y'all. Like, I can never get any color corrector that actually color corrects these spots. It's so annoying. It just wipes off with any foundation that I put on. Am I doing something wrong with my application? Should I wait for it to get like super dry before I put on my face? I don't even know. I need to Google this because I can never get rid of this. I can never get rid of all my like my beauty spots and whatever. It's just so annoying. Like, every time I put on makeup, I just see them underneath them. Like, what's the point of makeup if you can't cover the things that you want to cover up? Not happy. So that's what it looks like so far. What else can we do? Right, so next I'm just going to go in with my Rimmel. This is like Rimmel. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with my Rimmel London Match Perfection Silky Loose Powder. I haven't used this in like forever. While my concealer bakes to the gods, sweetie. A little background. This is my first time buying anything from Mr. Star. You know how it is. A lot of controversy surrounding him when it comes down to people of color. But when I saw this, I just had to do it for Pride Month. This is the Equality Jeffree Star Cosmetics Lip Kit. Just beautiful, honeys. This is what it looks like. So that is what it looks like. You know, he came out with these and I thought this is so beautiful. The colors are as follows. You have Diva, you have Red Rum, Flamethrower, Queen Bee, Equality, Breakfast at Tiffany's, Blue Velvet, and Royalty. I'm gonna try and do a look, sweeties. I'm gonna go off camera for this because I am not confident doing my eyebrows, as you guys already know, and I want to do a look with these as my eyebrows. I got a kind of rough idea from Nikki Tutorials video. Girl, you slay. I haven't actually watched the full video, but I know that she has done it, and I know people are gonna be like, you should give blah blah wherever you saw it. I had seen it on Nikki Tutorials, but to be honest with you, I saw the advert for this, and the advert for this it showed you all the things that you can basically do with this, and one of the guys had rainbow eyebrows. I want to try and go off camera and do that, sweetie. Everything else will be on camera, but I never actually do my eyebrows on camera. That's a lie. I do our eyebrows on camera, but I'm not confident with it. So you know what I mean. I will be back with the look. If I come back and I don't have rainbow eyebrows, it was a tragedy, and we're just gonna go ahead and act like that never happened. But this is beautiful, so pigmented, so glowing. I cannot even wait to try them out. So I will be back soon. Now that that's done, I am going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Matte Lip Duo, and I'm going to use it in Truffle to do my contouring, sweetie. I absolutely love this. I generally need a new one just to branch out. I don't really use anything else but this when I do my contouring. So it came out okay. The eyebrows came out okay, I think. They're not perfect and they don't look as sexy as the advert for Jeffree Star's Equality lipstick advert that you see on YouTube, but I did my best, y'all, considering I don't know how to do eyebrows at all. So we're just gonna leave it at that. Then I'm going to use my Raw Cosmetic Connection bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze my face, sweeties. I never actually used this brush to bronze, but let's see. Now I'm going to do my eyeshadows. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette. It's very colourful, such a great palette for doing any type of pride look. I have no idea what colours I'm going to use, but I do know the colours I'm going to use. Yeah, I'm going to try my best to, you know, do a look for you guys. Do a look. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here, this nice purpley color right here, sweeties, and I'm going to just pick up some product and I'm just going to press that on. Doing light pressing in the crease. You don't want to go too high with this. I'm using my BH Cosmetic 103 brush to just really pack on that colour. I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics 101 brush, blending brush, and I'm going to blend it out with this blue here. It's just gonna go above the crease, and I'm just gonna pat it lightly around. Don't worry about how it looks like right now, because you're gonna blend to the gods, honey. Then you're gonna want to use the exact same brush, but a clean brush. So again, it's from BH, but it doesn't have a number on it, but it's practically the same brush, a fluffy blending brush. And I'm just gonna blend this out. Circular motions or back and forth, it doesn't really matter as long as it's blended really, really well. So I'm going to get right up close with my mirror. Sorry about all the noise, and I'm gonna blend. Then if you want to go back in and pack some more purple on there, I just want to build upon the colour and keep blending and building and blending and building. Now you got both of those blended, what you need to do is pick up a nice lighter colour just to diffuse it a little bit. So I'm going to go in with this beautiful pink here, pinky purpley colour right here, and I'm going to diffuse it with the same fluffy brush. Then you're going to use your concealer and you're just going to cut it at the side, and then you're going to do a cut crease. Now that I've cut my crease, darlings, I'm going to now pick a shimmery colour to go on top. And I feel like this colour here, my lovelies, is a beautiful, beautiful colour to do. It's very blue, it's very glistening, and I thought it would be quite nice to just pack it on there. I'm going to use a concealer brush to pack it on. So this is the blue. Then I'm going to take a shadowing brush and I'm just going to go right back in with that shimmery blue, and I'm just going to go underneath my waterline. I'm going to drag it across underneath my cut crease. That's what the look looks like so far, guys. I am not done, so if you guys can bear with me, sweeties, I'm gonna make a look for you guys. I'm gonna make a look. Then I'm gonna go on the NYX Vivid Brights in yellow. Now that's done, I'm gonna now go in with my beautiful mermaid heart highlighter. Oh, this is so cute, so colorful, goes with this theme that we're going in. We're going with the colors, we're going in with the beautiful, beautiful colors for Pride. So it doesn't surprise that this is the highlighter that I choose. It really doesn't surprise. I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna just go all over, sweetie, and I'm just gonna lightly brush that on. Then I'm gonna go in with my Blushing Heart blush. So cute. I'm just gonna go over my highlighter, give it some rosiness, sweetie. Now that that's done, I am going to do some rainbow lips. So I'm going to use red, orange, yellow and purple. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, so just bear with me. So I'm going to start with the purple. This is basically the look already, guys, and I'm just gonna go do my hair and get back to you. So it's been you go, okay? That's not your love, all that anybody needs, sweetie. And I'll catch you. Yes, you, the one that came to the end of the video, Handle Girl. I'll catch you, sweetie, on another video. Bye.
Maybe you should take